Looking for a smart kitchen scale that does more than just weigh your food? Introducing the Etekcity Food Nutrition Scale, Luminary Edition. This isn't just a food scale, it's your personal nutrition coach right on your countertop. One of the most powerful features of this scale is its nutrition tracking with Bluetooth connectivity. Thanks to the VSync app, you can instantly see the calories, protein, carbs, fat, and more for every ingredient you weigh. Whether it's an apple or a bowl of rice, you know exactly what you're eating. It's also IPX6 waterproof, which means splashes, spills, or cleaning. Not a problem at all. No more replacing batteries. It's USB-C rechargeable, saving you time and money in the long run. Switch between grams, ounces, milliliters, and pounds with ease. It also has a tare function, letting you zero the weight of bowls or containers for multi-ingredient measurements, perfect for meal prep or baking. And it supports up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms. Way more than most kitchen scales. Its 304 stainless steel surface isn't just sleek and modern. It's durable and easy to clean, giving it a premium professional look. Here's a quick recap of everything we love about the Etekcity Luminary scale. Real-time calorie and nutrition info via VSync. Bluetooth connectivity. IPX6 waterproof rating. Rechargeable via USB-C. Measures up to 22 by 10 kg. Sleek stainless steel design, perfect for cooking, weight loss, fitness, and macro tracking. If you're serious about smart eating, precise cooking, or hitting your fitness goals, the Etekcity Luminary Food Scale might just be the best investment for your kitchen this year. Want to check the latest price and reviews? Links in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart gadget reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.